In this video, I'll show you how to create a warm and emotional opening where a heart is drawn on the screen and gently reveals your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Draw a Heart, then apply it. Once applied, a heart shape is drawn on the screen, revealing the video underneath in a soft and romantic motion. Use the duration slider to control how fast the heart is drawn. Longer duration makes the motion slower and more emotional. Shorter duration makes it quicker and lighter. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so it feels natural with your message or background music. And that's it. You've successfully added a heart drawing reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.